Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is 4th of November 2024. I'm excited today to let us know how the market performed last week and also what we're expecting this particular week. As usual, if this is your first time of joining our analysis, please subscribe to this channel. We want to see your comments in the comment section. So like this video, share this video, invite others, let them join the Dubiss Forex Academy. Let's analyze the market together and let's make money together. Join us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Just join us, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can see our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. All right, look at it. You can see what we made last week. All right, when we analyze, we really show you we didn't trade much last week, okay, but we still made good profit. All right, last week, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy. Look at our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube. All right, so let's go and see, starting with XAU USD. We're also going to check fundamentals. Today, this week, particular week, which is tomorrow, is a US election. So this week, we are going to see some volatility in the market. So you have to trade with care. You need to join our paid group so that you can get entry point and exit point. This week, we are targeting to make huge amount of profit. And I want to say happy new month to as many have you've not received happy new month from me. I want to say happy new month, and all those that are joining us to watch this video, happy new month to everyone. Okay, so let's go with XAUUSD. Last week, oh man, good, really was crazy last week, and it broke 27 last week. And then you can see that good touched 2767 last week, and we were expecting gold to fall. So what happened was we made 250 pips, one of the trade we sent, and then the another one we sent hit our SL. So we decided not to trade again, to hold on to see a good retracement or to see a good price action, a rejection on a daily candle. So we're waiting to see a rejection candle on a daily candle. All right, last week when we saw this particular one you can call it in fact, the first one was this inverted hammer, and then we believe that gold will fall down. It didn't fall, it still moved ahead because of the tension in the Middle East. And then you can see another engulfing candle, all right, or if you want to call it tweezer, and eventually it still went up. So that was why we have to hold on, to watch very well, to see when we see a good rejection. And that happened, I think that was on Thursday last week. This is Thursday candle and this is Friday last week. Thursday last week we saw this price action. You can see 1 2 3. This is actually a price action, good price action, if you want to call it engulfing candle, whatever thing you want to call, but this is a good a Vasa candle. So on Friday I wanted to trade gold, sell. We couldn't join me. I couldn't join live analysis and live trading we did for NFP. But those that came to the office in Port Harcourt, they made money. We had about 9% that came and joined that NFP, and they made good money. So we are going to be running NFP going forward. In fact, next year is going to be massive because we are going to develop it very well. We are going to make sure we trade CPI, interest rates, NFPs. We are going to be trading live. So you just need to fund the account and join us. So if you have not opened an account with a broker, FX Pro, please do that. So this week we've already started selling gold. We've made 50 pips already, and you can see what's happening. This particular candle confirmed this engulfing candle. So we believe that gold will still move down this particular week. So, but it depends on what will happen tomorrow. The election, the outcome of the election is going to affect gold. So we trade with care. So we had one trade already on gold, and that trade have already hit TP1. So we watch closely and see what will happen, and then the outcome of election, then we take it step by step. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, we draw a trend line. You can see the trend line, and we told you that we are to buy from this point. All right, but I said we are not going to buy, but those that want to buy, because it could move up and then fly down again, because the pressure was high on in fact, dollar has been very strong for some time now. So we said that most likely it's going to bounce from here, but we didn't take that trade. But those that took that trade, you can see that it's a good profit that they've made for themselves. This is actually a good profit. So let's see. This is over 200 pips, or yeah, over 100 pips. Let's see. Look, over 150 pips made from this trend line that it hits. So congratulations to those that took that trade. You can see that all these trend lines, these things we thought that it doesn't work, it's really working. Okay, it's just sometimes that it will be manipulated, but most time you see that all these things work. The level, all those key levels, and then the supply zone, the demand zone, accumulation zone, the distribution zone. You know, if you know smart money concept, you understand this one I'm talking about. All right, all these things works. So you just need to trade with proper risk management when you identify them, and then you take the trade, put your risk at a good place. Now look at USD CHF. USD CHF hits this barrier which I highlighted, and it has been falling, though the speed is not much, but this at least is over 50 pips. All right, from this zone here, I told you that it could touch here. Look at where we are last week. We said it would go up, touch here, and fall. Look at it, it went up, touched there, and it fell. So this week we should expect it to go down more, but like I said, everything depends on what happens tomorrow news. So what will happen, maybe after the election tomorrow, we could still have another session where we can analyze based on the outcome of the election and how the market will react, and then we'll come back and then maybe send another analysis. That's what I could do. But at the moment, you can see it's respecting this technical analysis and it's going down. So let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, from what we analyze, the technically GBP USD hit this trend line, like I said, bounced off, went up, which we said it could go up, and then it could even break it. Look at what happened. It just went up small and it broke it. Right now as we speak, it's also coming back. That's why I didn't want to take any action around here. We started selling from up and we made good profits. Right now it hit this trend line, so we have to exit and watch first and see how the market react. If it will break here, retest it, and then continue to go down, or if it will respect here, move up. So we didn't want to buy from this point. So look at what is still happening around here. So we still need to watch, wait. Probably after tomorrow election, we know the direction that GBP USD will take. But technically, you can see that this is a fake out now. It's coming back inside this channel, so meaning that most likely it could continue to go up. All right, so we need to wait and see the outcome of the election. Then for USD CAD, you can see what we drew last week. You can see our key level, and eventually USD CAD broke this particular key level, right? Went up, and I just highlighted this right now because this is another level. We are selling USD CAD, and currently price is at our entry point 1.3. This is 1.3899. That just call it 1.3900, right? And our stop loss is 1.400. So 100 pip stop loss. So we still believe that at this point now, since price have mitigated here, touched here, that it will still fire down from this point. So it's still a sell trade for us. So you can join the trade since the trade is still very much active. So you can join the trade from here. We still believe that price will do what? Go down for USD CAD. You can join the trade. All right, so you can see it. So let's go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP played out very well. You can see that it hits our distribution zone, right? demand zone, rather demand zone. We can call it accumulation zone, demand zone. So from here, we said that price will go up. So we've made 100 pips already. For those that took that trade, we are still on the trade. So 100 pips. So GBP, Euro GBP will still go up further, and that is why you need to watch this video. You need to follow with this analysis, because we just show you the direction of the market. If the price is going to move up, as in trend up, or market is going to trend down a particular financial instrument. So in this case now, Euro GBP have given us 100 pips. All right, we started buying around 0.8300, yeah, and then as we speak now, price is right around 0.8387. all right, is still within around the TP1. So but it moved up to a TP2. So if you want to get into the trade, you can still get into this trade. Price around TP1 again. It has come down after it hit a TP2. It came down 50 pips. So we still believe that it will still rise further for this week. Then GBP JPY gave us 250 pips. Look at the harmonic patterns we saw, and it's still there. All right, as it gave us 250 pips last week, we're still within 197.44 at the moment now. So this week, price could still go down because it have not really gotten this target. We are believing that price will move down, but we took 250 pips. That is our paid members. So congratulations to all the free members that took this trade based on our analysis. So for CHF JPY, you can see we were here last week and we told you that as far as this one is broken, that price could move up to this level, and from this level before. So just peradventure, let's assume that you took that trade based on the analysis. Look at it. This is 180 pips. All right, this is 180 pips. But we didn't send this trade to our paid group. Like I said, last week was very busy. Last week I had some exams, and then I couldn't send much trades, and that's why you need to watch this video. Even those on our paid group, you can watch the video and then take your trade based on the analysis. So congratulations to those that took CHF JPY. Then for GBP card, GBP card just did us Ojoro last week. It just went and kissed our SL and started falling. So price is still within this zone, which is a sell zone. So we have sent the trade this morning. Price are currently around 1.8054 at the moment. Our entry point is 1.8050. So we are like 4 pips lost right now that are making this video. 4 pips. So meaning that it's still within the entry point. So if you're just seeing this video, anything around 1.81 from 1.8100, 1.8050, you are still good to take your trade, because we believe that price will do what? Fly down. Okay, for GBP card for this week. So NZD USD, we didn't take NZD USD yesterday. Remember I told you, last week we didn't take NZD USD because remember I told you that price is at the middle, so we need to wait for price to come down to this entry point, or price to at least make a good retracement. It didn't make a retracement, it was still moving down. Just imagine that you decide to buy this, so you see that is a problem. That's why you don't need to go against the trend, and we decided not to sell at this point because price have really moved down. We started selling from this point, so here is not a good entry point. So we need to wait either price come down here or price give us a good entry point to sell. Right now we can't sell at this point, and that is for NZD USD. So that's it for NZD USD. So let's wait for price to come to a very good entry point. All right, so let's go to EuroCAD. Okay, so EuroCAD, you can see that EuroCAD, last week we sold EuroCAD and then we got 50 pips and it went back up. Remember our analysis last week, I said that it will move up and then fall. So it has moved up, and then right now price is sitting at a very good setup. You can see one 0.5150 is where we started selling. At the moment we are on 8 pips profits. All right, for this week I just sent it today, euro card. So for those of you that usually watch our Mondays videos, so even if you are not on the pay group, I can actually let you know the trades that we've sent for that particular week, as in for that Monday. So just like as I'm telling you now, we sent 3 trades this morning: euro card, GP card, euro card sell, GP card sell, and gold sell. And we've made 50 pips from gold, and euro card is just run on 8 pips profit, so it have now hit TP1. So you can join the trade. Look at what we highlighted. Look at it. You see that price is sitting on a very strong resistance, right? So we believe that price will fall from this, right, from what we are seeing here. As far as price is going to respect this zone, then it will fall, come down to this trend line once again. So sell euro card, and then euro AUD. Remember, we started buying euro AUD from this point, and where it is right now, it have really gotten to a key level. This place where price is now, price could look, even if you take it from here, this is daily years, even if you take it from here, if you want to take from here, you see that is, though you could still push up to hit here, all right, but look at it, even here self, look at price touch and touch. I can see this harmonic pattern, so it could go down from here. All right, this is a small resistance, this is a resistance. Look at it even here, so where it is right now is a resistance. All right, price trying to respect it, but it could still break, touching here first before it will fall. So I'm not interested in real AUD. So at the moment there's no good entry point right now, so because price could still push up to get here before it will fall. But let's look at USD JPY respected our zone. Look at where we highlighted last week, and even if you measure, you see that that's a good movement. This movement you see like this now, look at it, this is over 150 pips, over 170 pips move from our sell zone. Congratulations. So if you're on this trade, you can move your stop loss to entry point, make sure you partial close, all right, because the outcome of election tomorrow could actually boost dollar, and once dollar is, once the thing boosts dollar, then you can see that USD JPY will fly up. But if the election outcome can come out and then it didn't favor dollar, then you will see that USD JPY will fly down. So congratulations to as many that took our trades, those that followed the analysis. Let's just look at a few fundamentals. Let's look at fundamentals, and then we call it a day. Let's go to forexfactory.com. So if you go to forexfactory.com and then look at, focus on the red folders. Today there's nothing today. Today is Monday, JPY bank holiday, no red folder. We focus more on the red folder. So tomorrow we have cash rate for AUD, and then RBA monetary policy statement, RBA states rate statement, and that is tomorrow. So AUD is going to be volatile tomorrow, and then we have eSIM service PMI for USD, and then presidential election tomorrow, being 5th of November 2024, is US election, both presidential election and Congress election tomorrow. So dollar and every other pairs, I'm telling you, is going to be volatile tomorrow. Okay, so we need to watch and see how the market plays out, and then we follow suit. So it's based on what we are seeing, how the market is reacting, market sentiment, and then we take our trades. Okay, but we also have BOE monetary policy for GBP, monetary policy summary, MPC, official bank rate votes, and then unemployment claim, official bank rates. So GBP want to cut their rates tomorrow, so and sorry, on Thursday. So all right, so pounds may be weak, right? GBP may be weak on Thursday, right? So because if they cut these rates, then pounds most likely will be weak. So let's watch and see how it will play out on Thursday. And then We also have federal funds rates. They are proposing to cut rates again. So same thing on Thursday also, US dollar proposing to cut rates. So there may also be another volatile, if not may, there will be volatility that day. So dollar may also be weak, all right, on Thursday. Look at it. FOMC statement and then press conference, and that will be Thursday evening. So there are lots of activities this week. Trade with care, because there are a lot of red folders. High impact news, employment change for card, and that is on Friday. So that's a wrap up of this week calendar. You can look at it, economic news. So go to Forex Factory, look at the red folders, you wait for the outcome and see how the market react to it. You can take your position. If you're already on a trade before that day, it's either you close if it is on profit or small loss, or you will just make sure you trade with a good proper risk and money management and allow your trade to flow, and that's it. So thank you very much for joining us this week analysis, and remember to like this video, remember to share this video, and join us on all social media handles. Dubiss Forex Academy, Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, YouTube, X, and then even on LinkedIn, Dubiss Forex Academy. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.